Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the audio language on the SpongeBob SquarePants Titans of the Tide game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up SpongeBob SquarePants on your device, and after you are taken into the home page, if you wish to change the audio language, click on the settings option. This will then take you into this page, from which you can find the language option at the left side. Go ahead and click on it. Then within the language settings, you will see your text as well as audio language. To change the audio or speech language, just use the arrows at the left or right to cycle through the various languages that are available. Once you have found the language that you wish, you can simply click on the Apply Change button or press the Enter key within your keyboard. After your change is applied, you can go back and start your game with your chosen audio language, and you may come back to this page at any point of time to once again switch it in the future. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the audio language on the SpongeBob SquarePants Titans of the Tide game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.